In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog on Wix Studio. We'll start inside your Wix Studio website editor. Once your site loads, look to the left side of the screen for the Tools panel. Click the highlighted option there to open the area where you can add features to your site. From that panel, choose Blog. You'll see a preview card explaining what the blog includes, like your posts list, post page, categories, and a manager to write and organize content. Click Add to Site to install it. This can take a moment because Wix is adding the necessary pages and connecting the blog to your site's design. If you see the highlighted prompt again, follow it once more. Select Blog and confirm by clicking Add to Site. Depending on your setup, Wix may ask you to confirm or complete the installation a second time. That's normal, and it ensures every blog component is added correctly. When the blog is installed, the blog manager opens. Click Create Post to start your first article. In the editor, type into the highlighted fields for your title and body content. Keep the title clear and descriptive, and add a short introduction so readers know what to expect. The editor auto-saves, so you won't lose your work as you go. You can format text, add images, and adjust headings later. For now, focus on a simple draft so we can get your blog live quickly. When your draft is ready, click back to return to the post list. From here, click Publish to push your changes live. This makes the blog and your first post visible on your live site, not just in the editor. Give it a few seconds to complete. After publishing, a panel appears to help you spread the word. Click Share and promote your blog post. Use the highlighted option shown on your screen to select how you'd like to share. This is a great way to drive traffic right away. If you're prompted with a highlighted confirmation or settings area, follow the on-screen highlight to proceed. When you're done, click Publish again if Wix asks for final confirmation, and then click Done to close the dialog. Your blog is now part of your website, and your first post is live. A couple of quick tips to finish. Later, you can customize your blog layout to match your brand, organize posts with categories and tags, and add SEO basics like a clear post title and description. For now, you've successfully added a blog, created a post, published your site, and